Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to verify your Huobi account. If you've recently signed up for a Huobi and you've not yet verified your email or your account, then here's how you can do it. Open a web browser and into the URL box type in huobi.com and search. Make sure to log into your account by using your mobile number or your email address. After you are logged in, go and mouse over to your profile icon at the top right hand corner, and if you've not yet verified your email, you'll be able to see this unverified tab. Click on it and then you'll now need to verify your account. You'll need to go through personal verification and institutional verification. Click the verify now button right next to one of the options and then complete the ID verification. Go to the verify now text box and enter all of the information about you, such as your nationality, last name, first name, birthday, and so on. After filling in all of the boxes, click on submit and move on to the next step. You'll now need to verify your L2 basic identity. Also make sure to enter all of the personal verification information that is asked to you along the way. You'll also need to provide and upload your government issued document. Simply go ahead and click on this click to upload button and upload a driving license, your citizenship. Then you can upload whether your ID card, passport, or driver's license. Click on the click to upload button and select your ID card front photo and then your back photo on the next field and click on submit. Once your verification is completed, you'll be able to use other functions for the wallet as well. Just keep on going and verify all of the necessary details that should do it. So that is how you can easily verify your Huobi account within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.